Okay, welcome back to our teaching and learning session. So for today's video, let's talk about the basic ideas of sets. Basic ideas of sets. What is a set? A set may be thought of a well-defined collection of objects. These objects are called elements or members of the set. What does it mean for a set to be well-defined? When can we say that the given set is well-defined? A set is well-defined if there is no ambiguity. It should be clear as to whether or not an object belongs to it. That is, a set is defined so that we can always tell what is and what is not a member of the set. Let's take a look at an example. So example 1.1. Let's have the set of C. Set of C with an elements of red, blue, yellow, green, and purple. So the given set is well defined. Why? It is because it is clear that the set is a group, that the given elements of set C are the name of different colors. So it is clear, there's no ambiguity at all. So we can say that it is well defined. So, in example 1.2. In example 1.2, which of the following sets are well defined? So, in given example letter A, the set of all large numbers. Is the given example is well defined? No. The set is not well defined. Why? Because some people will have different opinions on which numbers are large. It's not clear, right? If it's stated the set of all large numbers starting from 50 up, so that is well defined. But since there's no specific what kind of large numbers, so it is not well defined. In example letter B, the set of all multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. It is well defined. Numbers that are multiples of 5 can easily be differentiated from the others. 5, 10, 15, 20, right? Okay. Letter C, the set of nice people in your class. The set of nice people. Do you think it is well defined set? Or do you think it is not well defined set? So the answer is not well defined. Why? When you say nice class, when you say nice, this one, there are different kind of nice people. There are what? Honest, there are loyal, there are faithful. But if the given set will say the set of loyal people or the set of honest people in your class, therefore that given set is well defined. But since it talks about nice, there's no specific what kind of nice people, so it is not well defined. We cannot easily understand, we cannot easily determine, so it is not well defined. Now let's proceed to the notation and description of sets. So we use capital letters such as A, B, C, D, and E to denote sets, no? This is the denotation of what we call sets. It should be all capital letters. So, and lowercase letters as lowercase a, B, C, D, and E denotes as what we call elements or the members of sets. Elements or the members of sets. It is also common practice to list the elements of set, the braces. Okay. How we are going to list the elements of set? So we are going to use braces. Braces, right? And okay, and listing the elements, we are going to use braces. And to separate the elements, we are going to use commas. Let's example. A, comma, B, C, D, and E. Then we have the end part, we have another braces or the close brace. Okay. Thus, A equals 5, 10, 15, 20. This means a set consisting of the elements of, no, the set A consisting the elements of 5, 10, 15, and 20. To indicate 5 as an element of set A, we write 5 is an element of set A, and read as 5 is an element of A, or 5 is a member of A. Okay, these symbols are read as follows. This symbol is what we call is an element of, and this symbol is read as is not an element of. Now let's have a practice. Tell whether the following are elements or not an element of the given set. So if it is an element, you can use this symbol, and if it is not an element, you can use this symbol. Okay. Set B has an elements of C, A, U, S, and E. Now answer the following. D. Element D. Does D is an element of B? Can you find an element here? No. The answer is not an element. How about element C? Is C is an element of set B? Yes. As you can see here, it belongs to this set. So it is an element. Does element U is an element of B? Yes. Does W is an element of B? No. It is not an element. Does E is an element of B? Yes. I hope that you will learn something out of the topic that we have been discussed. Bye. Moro na.